Hi guys, I have a new garbage disposal. Just install it, and you can see right here there's a small hole, and inside there is a cap. That is a lockout for the dishwasher. So you can see I having the hose, and this one gonna connect into this garbage disposal, and then you're gonna drain out the water from the dishwasher right here. So the dishwasher gonna drain the water when it clean through this pipe, go through the garbage disposal and go out to the drain out. And you can see that there's a cap inside. You actually can feel it here. So if you want the dishwasher to drain out the water through this pipe on the garbage disposal, you need to remove the cap, the lockout. Because if you don't do that, then the water gonna flow back into the dishwasher and make it big trouble, and the dishwasher may stop working. I'm gonna show you how you can remove this lockout, this cap, without removing the garbage disposal. You just need to make sure that you turn off the power to this completely. For the safety, if you have the breaker, you turn off the breaker. If you have the plug, you unplug it to make sure that there's no power go inside this garbage disposal for the safety. So make sure that you do it first before you do the next step to remove the lockout or the cap. You're gonna need very simple tool, hammer, and maybe a screwdriver. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it all the way inside the garbage disposal. And then after that, we are going to grab the cap from the garbage disposal and clean it. So we're gonna using very simple tools, hammer and screwdriver, and then you're gonna push it, the cap, the lockout inside the garbage disposal. Just do it slowly. You can hear some noise. You may push. So now it's clean. You can see that it's all way in. And then now, because you already turn off the garbage disposal, is safe for you to using your hand, and then you just try to see. This is the cap that we just remove the garbage disposal. Okay, so I just show you how to remove the cap or the lockout for the garbage disposal. So now you can see that there's no block anymore between the garbage disposal and then the hose or the pipe for the dishwasher. So you're good to go to connect it like this, and then you can start using the dishwasher, and you're gonna drain out the water through the garbage disposal. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Nếu các bạn thấy hay, các bạn hãy nhấn nút like, thích và subscribe, đăng ký để ủng hộ EasyTech Class nha. Cảm ơn các bạn nhiều.